Hi children, how are you? I hope you are well. Did you finish your worksheet? Before going to our topic, I just explain you that worksheet. In that worksheet, I gave only one question. That is, write the expanded form for the following numbers. Let us see the first number. That is 5963. 5963. How many digits are here? In this number, we have 4 digits. So, to represent these 4 digits, we need 4 places. Those are ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Understood, children? That means this number consists of 5 number of thousands, 9 number of hundreds, 6 number of tens, 3 number of ones. Let us write expanded form. First write number, then write what is an expanded form? Expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of its digits. Understood? Sum of the place values of its digits. Here we have 4 digits. So, we have to write sum of the place values of these 4 digits. Let us write place value of 5. That means face value into its place. Face value of 5 is 5. Its place is thousands. I am writing in short form. Thousands. Plus, we are taking sum. So, we should use plus. Now, place value of 9. Place value of 9 means face value of 9 into its place. Face value of 9 is 9 and its place is hundreds. Plus place value of 6. That is face value of 6 into its place is tens. Next, place value of 3. 3 into ones. It is in ones place. Okay. Then I am taking in numerical form. 5 into TH means 1000 plus 9 into H means 100 plus 6 into T. T means 10 plus 3 into ones means 1. We should use 1. So, by multiplying these 5 into 1000 we get 5000 plus 9 into 100 900 plus 6 into 10 60 plus 3 into 1 3. These are all place values of these digits. Observe here 5000 is the place value of 5. 900 is the place value of 9 and 60 is the place value of 6. 3 is the place value of 3. Now, this is in the form of sum of the place values of these digits. So, this is called expanded form of the given number. Is it clear, children? The next number is 60,265. This is a 5-digit number. So, we need 5 places to represent these digits. Those are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. 10,000s. Let us write expanded form. First write number. Actually, we have to take place values of these digits. Now, the place value of 6 is 6 into 10,000 TTH plus place value of 0. 0 into 1000 because 0 is in thousands place. And place value of 2. 2 is in hundreds place. Plus 6. Place value of 6 is 6 into tens. 6 into t. Plus place value of 5. 5 into ones. 5 into ones. Now I am taking numerical form. I am taking numerical form. 6 into 10,000. 10,000 has 4 zeros. 10,000 consists of 4 zeros. 0 into 1000. 0 into 1000. 2 into 100. 2 into 100. H means 100. Plus 6 into t means 6 into 10. Plus 5 into 1. 5 into 1. Is it clear, children? Then 6 into 10,000 gives us 60,000. 6 into 10,000 gives us 60,000. 0 into 1000, that is 0. By multiplying 0 with any number, it gives us 0. 2 into 100, 200. Plus 6 into 10, 60. Plus 5 into 1, 5 only. Understood? Now, this is in the form of sum of place values of these digits. Isn't it? So, this is called expanded form of this number. The next number is 7,86,254. This is a 6-digit number. So, we need 6 places to represent these digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. These are the places we need to represent these digits. Now, to get expanded form, we have to take sum of the place values of these digits. Let us write it. First, we should write number 7,86,254 is equal to, first we should take place value of 7. That is 7 into 1 lakh. 7 into lakh. L for lakh. Plus place value of 8. That is 8 into 10,000. 8 into 10,000. TTH represents 10,000. Plus place value of 6. That is 6 into 1000. Plus place value of 2. That is 2 into 100. H. H for 100. Now we have to take place value of 5. I am taking here place value of 5 is 5 into 10. 5 into T. T represents tens. Next we have to take place value of 4. That is 4 into ones. I am writing full form. Now we have to write in numerical form. That is using numbers. 7 into lakh. 1 lakh. We should write in numerical form. 1 lakh contains 5 zeros. Plus 8 into 10,000. 10,000 contains 4 zeros. Plus 6 into 1000. 6 into 1000. Plus 2 into 100. 2 into 100. Plus 5 into 10. 50. 5 into 10. 50. Plus 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is always 4. Let us write those results. Now I am writing their results. 7 lakh. 7 lakh plus 8 into 10,000, 80,000 plus 6 into 1,000, 6,000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 5 into 10, 50 plus 4 into 1, 4. So, now we have the form sum of the place values of these digits. This is the form of sum of the place values of these digits. So, this is called expanded form of this number. Is it clear, children? Today, we are going to learn how to write a short form of number from given expanded form. That means, we are going to see how to write or how to convert an expanded form of number into a short form of number. What is a short form? Short form means numerical form. Numerical form means just a number. Today we are going to learn how to get a number from the given expanded form. Already in our previous class we learned how to write an expanded form for the given number. Now we are going to see how to write a number for the given expanded form. Is it clear, children? For better understanding, I am taking some examples. Now I am taking this expanded form. Look here, children. By observing here, how many thousands are here? By observing this, here we have 4 thousands. Let us write those. 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000, 4,000. Actually, this is in the form of sum of place values of digits. Expanded form means sum of place values of digits. We can write place value of digit like this. Actually, this is the place value of 4. We can write like this. 4 into 1000. 4 is the face value. 1000 is the place of the digit. Like that, we can write remaining place values by taking 7 into 100. 7 is the face value of 7. 100 is the place of the 7. So, 700 is the place value of 7. Next, 30 means 3 into 10 plus 5 means 5 into 1. Okay, children? Now, I am taking inverse. 4 into 1000 means I am taking TH. 4 into TH plus 7 into 100. 100 means H. H represents hundreds place. Next one, 3 into 10. T plus 5 into ones. 5 into ones. Okay, children? Then, to get numeral for this expanded form, we should use these places according to their order. According to the correct order. Now, the first one means the largest place is thousands. Next place is hundreds. Next place is tens. The next place is ones. Next place is ones. Now, we have to write their corresponding digits in their places. The corresponding digits in their places. Now, 4 is related to thousands place. That means this number consists of 4 thousands. So, we should write 4 in thousands place. 7 is related to hundreds. 7 hundreds are here. So, we should write 7 in the place of hundreds. 3 is related to tens. So, 3 tens are here. We should write 3 in the place of tens. Next, 5 ones. So we should write 5 in the place of ones. Now, this is the numeral for the given expanded form. Look here children, this is the numeral. We can read this one as 4735. This is the numeral or number which is equal to the given expanded form. Now, I am taking this example. By observing this example, how many thousands are here? 20 thousands. Here we have 20 thousands. We can write 20,000 as 2 into 10,000. We can write 20,000 as 2 into 10,000 plus we can write 1,000 as 1 into 1,000. By multiplying with 1, there is no change. 1 into 1,000, 1,000 plus we can write 90 as 9 into 10. 9 into 10 plus 7. We can write this one as 7 into 1. Okay, ma? Then, this is 10,000. We can use TTH to represent this place. I am writing that. 2 into TTH plus 1,000. How can we represent thousands place? Using TH. 1 into TH plus 10. We can represent 10 using capital T. And finally, 7 into ones. 7 into ones. Now, we can use these places according to their order. First, we should write 10,000s. The greatest place in this example is 10,000s. Next, the next place is thousands. What next? We should get hundreds place after thousands. Next place is tens. Next place is ones. Isn't it? Then we have to write the corresponding digits in their places. Okay children? What is the related digit for 10,000? For 10,000, 2 is the digit corresponding to 10,000. 2 is the corresponding digit for 10,000. So, we should write 2 in 10,000's place. 2. And 1 is related to thousands. Here, 1 is related to 1,000. So, we should write 1 in thousands place. Next one, 9 tens. 9 is related to tens, not for hundreds. So, we should write 9 in the place of tens only. So, 9. We should use in the place of tens. 7. 7 is related to ones place. So, we should use 7 in the place of ones. Then, what about H, hundreds? There is no digit for hundreds. Simply, we should write 0 in the place of hundreds. But so many members just avoiding this digit. They are writing like 2197. This is wrong. This is wrong. It is 2197. But we have 20,000 and 1,097. There is no 100. So, don't use 1 at hundreds place. By writing this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Is there any digit for hundreds? No digit. But you are writing 1. So, this is wrong. We should follow this order. Understood children? Now, I am taking 3 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 5. Let us see how to get numeral or number for this expanded form. We can write 3 lakhs as 3 into 1 lakh. 3 into 1 lakh. Plus, we can write 40,000 as 4 into 10,000. 4 into 10,000. Plus, 800 as 8 into 100. 8 into 100. Plus, 20 as 2 into 10. Plus, 5 as 5 into 1. Understood, children? Then, I am writing 1 lakh, 10,000, 100, 10, 1 as places in words. So, 3 into 1 lakh means L. L represents 1 lakh. Plus 4 into 10,000. 10,000 has 4 zeros. Understood? So, 10,000 represented by TTH. TTH. Plus, is there any digit for thousands? No. Let us write hundreds. How many hundreds are here? 8 hundreds. So, simply you should write 8 into H. 8 hundreds. Plus 2 into 10. 2 into T. Plus 5 into ones. 5 into ones. Then, now we have to arrange these places according to the order. Okay? What is the largest place here? That is lakhs. So, first we should write lakhs place. What is the next place? 10,000s. 10,000s. Next place is thousands. Next place is thousands. Next place is hundreds. Next, tens and ones. Now, we have to arrange the corresponding digits in their places. Now, 3 is related to lakhs because 3 lakhs are present in this number. So, we should write 3 in the place of lakhs. Next, we have 4 10,000s. So, we should use 4 in the place of 10,000s. So, write 4 at 10,000s place. Next, 8 is related to hundreds, not for thousands. So, don't write in thousands place. You just write in hundreds place. 8. And how many tens are here? Only 2. So, we should write 2 in the place of tens. And how many ones are there? 5. So, we should write 5 in the place of ones. Then what about thousands? There is no digit for thousands. So, simply we should write 0 in that place. Okay, children? Now, this is 3,40,825. Okay. If you write 3, 4, 8, 2, 5. Is it right answer? No. This is wrong because if you write places, 5 is in ones place, 2 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place, then 4 in thousands place, 3 in 10,000s place. Is it right order? Actually, there is no digit for thousands. 4 is in 10,000s place. 4 is in 10,000s place. But here mismatched. So don't write like this. You just follow this order to get numeral for given expanded form. Understood, children? This is wrong procedure. Don't follow this. By seeing this, you simply follow this one. 3, 4, 8, 2, 5. But this is wrong. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, we should get a 6-digit number. We should get a 6-digit number. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. So, this is the wrong answer. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally, we got 6-digit number. So, this is the right answer. Have you understood this topic? I hope you understood. Based on this topic, I am going to give one worksheet. Please do that worksheet. Let us see the worksheet. In this worksheet, we have only one question, that is, write the numerals for the following expanded form of the numbers. That means, for the given expanded forms, you have to write numerals. So please do this worksheet and get ready for next class. Take care, children.